friends, I'm Rasna. Welcome to Rasna Bakes e-learning. Let's create some fabulous cakes together. Today we are doing a guitar theme cake for a rock star. For the 3D guitar topper, shape out the light brown fondant in a guitar as shown. Next, roll out dark brown fondant thin and cut it into a strip and stick it around the body of the guitar. Stick the rectangular piece of fondant and the sound hole onto the guitar body. I use water to attach all these pieces onto the guitar. Next is the fingerboard. For this, make a thin strip with a bulb at one end for the guitar keys. Put a wooden stick to secure the fingerboard and do the detailing as shown on the fingerboard. Now I'm making the tuning keys. Roll out black fondant for the star sticks. Using the music note cutter, cut some notes and place it on a stick. I am using two different types of silicone alphabet mat for the message on the cake. This is a whipped cream cake. These are edible printouts of music notes that will run around the cake. Roll some white fondant and stick these edible prints. Place a round white fondant mat on the cake for the guitar so that the brown fondant does not bleed on the whipped cream cake. Place the elements on the cake now. Placing the message first. Now I'm placing the guitar. Secure it with a block of white fondant. Stars and music notes take their place. Spread some golden balls. Our rock star guitar theme cake is now ready.